What's up, everyone? It is Jason Jani, and welcome back to my channel. I'm sorry about the graspy, rough voice, but my wedding last night absolutely was insane, and I was screaming, yelling a lot, and my voice is totally shot. I wanted to record a video regarding my process. I wanted to record a video and share it here on the channel regarding my process. I wanted to record a video and share it here on the channel regarding the process that I use when I'm considering adding new enhancements to the overall portfolio of my business. I'm sharing this because I think it can help a number of people, and it's a question that I get asked all the time via text, private message, and of course, email. So how do I go about adding all of these different services to the portfolio? And how do I do it in a way that's not going to break the bank for me? How do I know I'm going to get my money back? How do I know I'm able to sell a service or it's even desired? And this is something that I thought of a long time ago. And I first implemented this process when I onboarded the photo booth division, now called Snapshot Photobooths, to the SCE event group. We have an entire universe of the company that's dedicated to just providing phototainment, photo booth services, 360 video booth services, and so much more. I wasn't sure what to do. I was in a kind of a bind. I wanted to invest in a new technology, a new type of photo booth experience. But the issue was this booth was 2.5 times the investment of what I had typically paid for photo booths that we had operated with successfully within the company. So I went round and round and I came up with this process. The process is pretty simple, and I use it now as I consider onboarding any new services to the overall portfolio. If I'm thinking about bringing something into the business and I'm not really sure, meaning there's no existing demand or no one knocking down the door asking for this stuff. So what do? I simply send an email canvassing a small universe of clients that are already booked with my company. And I essentially say, hey guys, I'm thinking about adding this service to the overall portfolio. Is this something that would be interesting to you or for your upcoming event? If so, please just let me know that you're interested in it, and then I'll follow up with another email giving you some more information about the service. I haven't yet decided if we're going to move forward with this, but we're really considering it, and your feedback is crucial for the company and the new service that we're considering. From there, I never just blindly buy anything unless I know it's going to win, because I think in the past I've done that and I've lost. I've failed. It never generated money and it didn't really work out in my favor. So what do I do now? Before I actually acquire or buy or invest in anything, I make sure that I can get it sold a fair amount of times on events that are executable, meaning that I'm not trying to sell a new service that I don't even have the equipment for on something that I'm doing next week or maybe even next month. I try to target typically 2 to 6 months out, and I want to sell it enough times that I'm either going to break even very quickly or that most of the initial investment is recouped for this actual service. Now, offering services and what to charge, that's a whole nother video, because there's cost of doing business, there's personnel, there's staffing, there's headaches, there's things that can go wrong, and you need to kind of think about that stuff too. But I guess the moral of the story is, before I invest in anything, and that's what this video is all about, before I invest in anything, I want to make sure that it's of interest to the people that I'm already working with within our client base, within the people that have trusted us with their events. And if it is, I want to make sure that they're ready and willing to commit to adding that to their service. Once they do, that's an indicator that this service is desired and that I should proceed acquiring or buying that actual technology, service, or product, because there is a good chance that you are going to be able to recoup your investment within a year or maybe a year and a half or 2 years, depending on what it is. And you typically want to have a rate of return within 18 months or less in the entertainment space. Now, it's not possible with everything, but if you are able to do that, you are setting your business and your future up for success. I hope you enjoyed this tip. And if you run a process like this when you're investing in new technology or new services, new enhancements, I'd love to hear from you. Jump down into the comments field down below and please share with me a little bit about what you do in your world about new products, new services, and new things that you're adding to your overall portfolio. I appreciate you checking this out. We've got a ton on deck right here on this channel, and I'd like to point you on over to this video right here where I share some really, really cool information that I think you're gonna like. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you real soon.